Jackfruit, the world's largest tree fruit, is a tropical marvel known for its sweet flavor, impressive size, and versatility in culinary uses. Growing jackfruit from seed is an exciting process, but it requires patience, dedication, and an understanding of the plant's needs. If you've ever wondered how to turn a simple jackfruit seed into a flourishing tree, this guide is here to help. The first step in growing jackfruit is to choose healthy seeds. Look for seeds that are plump, firm, and fresh. Seeds from a ripe jackfruit are ideal, as they have the highest chance of germinating. Avoid using seeds that are shriveled, cracked, or dry. Once you've collected the seeds, wash them thoroughly to remove any fruit residue. The slimy coating on the seeds can inhibit germination, so it's essential to clean them completely. After washing, pat the seeds dry with a paper towel. To speed up germination, soak the seeds in lukewarm water for 24 hours. This helps to soften the hard seed coat, making it easier for the seedling to emerge. After soaking, discard any seeds that float, as they are unlikely to germinate. Choose small pots or seed trays with good drainage. Use a well-draining potting mix, such as a combination of garden soil, sand, and compost. Plant each seed about 1 inch deep with the pointed end facing down. Cover lightly with soil. Jackfruit seeds germinate best in warm conditions between 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 24 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle to mist the soil if needed. Place the pots in a warm, bright location with indirect sunlight. Jackfruit seeds typically germinate within 3 to 4 weeks, but it can take longer in cooler conditions. Once the seedlings emerge, continue to care for them by keeping the soil moist and providing sufficient light. Once your seedlings have grown to about 6 to 8 inches tall and developed a few sets of true leaves, they are ready to be transplanted into larger pots or directly into the ground. If you're planting outdoors, select a spot with plenty of sunlight and protection from strong winds. Jackfruit trees thrive in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging as the roots can rot. Prepare the site by digging a hole twice as wide and deep as the seedling's root ball. Mix compost or organic fertilizer into the soil to boost nutrient content. Carefully remove the seedling from its pot, taking care not to damage the roots. Place it in the hole and cover it with soil, pressing gently to secure the plant. Water thoroughly after transplanting to help the roots settle. Young jackfruit trees need regular watering to establish strong roots. Water deeply once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Mature trees are more drought-tolerant but still benefit from occasional deep watering during dry spells. Feed your jackfruit plant with a balanced fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summer. A mix high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium will encourage strong growth and fruit production. Organic options like compost or well-rotted manure are also effective. Prune your jackfruit tree to shape it and encourage healthy growth. Remove dead or diseased branches and thin out overcrowded areas to improve air circulation. Regular pruning also helps manage the tree's size, making it easier to harvest the fruit. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree to retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weeds. Keep the mulch a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. While jackfruit trees are relatively hardy, they can still fall victim to pests and diseases. Common issues include fruit flies, which can damage the developing fruit. Use fruit fly traps or cover the fruit with protective bags. Scale insects can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. For fungal diseases, ensure good air circulation, and avoid overwatering to prevent fungal infections like anthracnose. Inspect your plant regularly for signs of pests or disease, and act quickly to address any problems. Jackfruit trees grown from seed typically take 3 to 8 years to produce fruit, depending on growing conditions. Here's how to know when your jackfruit is ready to harvest. The color of the fruit turns from green to yellowish green as it ripens. Tap the fruit gently. A hollow sound indicates ripeness. Ripe jackfruit emits a sweet, fruity smell. To harvest, use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the fruit from the tree, leaving a small stem attached. Handle the fruit carefully to avoid bruising. Start with fresh seeds. Fresh seeds have a higher germination rate than older ones. Provide consistent warmth as jackfruit is a tropical plant, so maintaining a warm environment is key. Be patient, Growing jackfruit from seed takes time, but the results are worth the wait. Growing jackfruit from seed is a rewarding journey that requires dedication and care. From germination to harvest, every step brings you closer to enjoying this unique and delicious fruit. Whether you're planting it in your backyard or a large container, the process is as enjoyable as it is fulfilling. Ready to start your jackfruit growing adventure? Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe to Hydro Haven for more gardening tips and guides. Let's grow together!